Welcome back to Ginger Cat DIY, the place where I feel a lot better. How about you, Massage Cat? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling a lot better too. I think that we're gonna get to go home tomorrow.
My last day of quarantine here in St. Paul. I'll show you something really funny. I'm here to quarantine, and this couldn't be better fitting. That's funny. So what are we going to talk about today? I'm feeling better. Last night was a rough night's sleep, but I just get a good nap and I'm ready to hit the road. I'm ready to go home, ready to see my family, ready to see my pet and my kitty cats and have a warm meal that is not reheated in the microwave, and just finish recuperating at home. I've realized while I was cleaning up that I brought fidget toys with me and I didn't play with them. I was really sick and I'm not feeling up to playing with them, but I thought I'd show you. So welcome to the very first ranking my fidget toys that I brought on a road trip because they were on the top of the pile. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I have advanced ADHD. So I need fidget toys. I like fidget toys. And I brought an array. These are some of the ones that I like, some of the ones that I knew that I could just play with in my hand and I didn't need to build on a table. Nerdycrafter just did some really cool fidget toys, and I'd love to do more fidget toy things, but it's not my thing. I craft, but I have fidget toys here, so let's see. Number 5, Squishy Unicorn. She's squishy. Pretty good bounce back. Pretty good design overall. Dollar Tree. She's got some wear and tear. She's headed to the squishy makeover bin after this trip. I don't know why she wasn't there in the first place. She's my fidget toys. Just standard issue. What kind of things should I turn her into for a squishy makeover? Number 4, Infinity Cube. You turn them, they make shapes. This one rattles. This one's my light plastic one. This one has a lot of resistance in it because it's sticky. There's something sticky on the table that I'm using. So there's that. And then I have this one, which I like more. So, number 4. Number 3. I don't even have it turned on. It's plenty warm in here. It's not even turned on. I'll be glad to be in a real life space soon. Number 3. This, whatever shape this thing is, this one's really fun. I like this, and a lot of people would put this a lot higher up, especially since the next two are really simple. But this overstimulates my poor brain. I have a cube, fidget cube. I already have a Galaxy one. I didn't get the Nerdycrafter. A special edition one, the salty outer space one with the stuffy. I wanted to, but I have so many of the things that are in there. I really wanted the plushie, but again, your girl's on a budget. And I have a lot of fidget toys. One day we'll play with all my fidget toys. It's quite the collection. Maybe we'll sort them. That'll be fun. If you haven't seen one of these before, I like to think of this as like the strap part. I like the joystick. Believe it or not, I have done some gaming. He's having a time. He's very upset. Why are you upset, little fella?
Because I've been shoved in a bag and I don't like it, and I am on myself on this side.
Here's a, I don't know, it has a little bit of a feel to it, like a gear. If it was bigger, I'd like it more like a dial. These are crunchy. This one's crunchier. That one's crunchiest. That one's okay. A soft spot. It's just flat. These things, this feels fun for here. If you have this on this side and the joystick on this side, you can be gaming. This is my gaming base. Some more of these. And they all have faces on them. They're all the same face. They're all looking around weird, and they're all happy.
We are happy because that grumpy guy's on the other side all by himself.
This thing, it just squishes. Doesn't do anything. It doesn't pull. It's just a weird squish squish. This is a texture. I don't like it. Oh, did I just show you these? Here's your control panel in case you're doing some DJing. It would look really silly if I didn't put in my DJ music. It's one of my favorite jokes because it's easy to film, really funny to edit. Number two. Number two is very simple. This. If you know Nerdycrafter, you've seen it. If you were one of my people who came from me, you may or may not have seen it. It's really simple. Just gonna press these two little symbols, like symbols, together, and then it pops. So I like to squeeze it. This one makes the best pop. Ready? That's the best pop. So it's not much. I can't put it very long because it drives my cats crazy, drives the youngest son crazy, and then my hands just get tired because there's not a great way to play with it one-handed. This one plays one-handed a lot better than the other one that I have that's more colorful. Are you ready for number one? Number one. Finger hands. Oh, well. Hello there. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Oh, I gotta floof the hair. I bet that you were all wondering why I have called you all here to this meeting. It is to discuss the potential you have in this company. Promotions for everyone. Let me style my hair. Guess who?
Is it Massage Cat?
Nope.
Is it Ginger Cat?
Yeah, it is. I've had finger hands for years. I have finger hands for my finger hands. And they're so cute. They make me so happy. That is it. Tonight is our last night. And we are going to head out first thing in the morning. I probably am not going to vlog because it's going to be a long trip. I'm not going to want to edit. I have time to edit at night. So this video is going to come out Sunday, Saturday, and then I will have something for you coming up. Updates, maybe some shorts. hopefully everything will go really well. Smooth sailing. We will see you soon. Okay. Bye. Two are the same. One, I've got lots. That is true. Oh, oh, oh my. You see that? Weird fuzzy. Massage cat with finger hands, pouncing on his ball. Yes, she scores!